Rosemary's memory boosting abilities and beyond. Rosemary is a popular herb, thanks to its distinctive scent and flavor, is a staple across kitchens all over the globe. It not only adds its distinctive flavor to many recipes, but it has been linked to numerous advantages for health. The most well-known assertions about rosemary is its ability to boost memory. Recent years have seen researchers are studying the cognitive potential of the herb's aroma, and their findings are very interesting. In this post, we'll explore the rosemary's ability to boost memory and go beyond. Let's first look into the proof to support rosemary's ability to boost memory. Numerous studies have demonstrated an association between rosemary and better cognition. A study was published in Therapeutic Advances in Psychopharmacology. People who were exposed to the essential oil of rosemary were more effective in cognitive tests when compared with the group that did not. Researchers found that the scent of rosemary can have an impact positive on the ability to remember and be alert. Additionally, a study published in the journal Psychopharmacology explored the mechanism behind rosemary's effects on memory. According to the research, it was found that rosemary has compounds which inhibit the breakdown of acetylcholine, which is a neurotransmitter that is linked to memories and the process of learning. In preserving the levels of acetylcholine in the brain area, rosemary could aid in improving memory retention and cognition. In addition to its ability to boost memory, it is also associated with various cognitive advantages. A study that was published by the publication Frontiers in Pharmacology highlighted rosemary's ability to slow down the cognitive decline that is associated with age. Researchers discovered that the extract of rosemary has antioxidant properties and anti-inflammatory properties that can shield the brain from injury and enhance overall health of the brain. Additionally, rosemary could possess properties that boost mood. An article published by the publication Therapeutic Advances in Psychopharmacology examined the impact of the rosemary scent on mood and discovered that those exposed to the essential oil reported increased alertness and a sense of contentment. The results suggest that rosemary has the ability to boost spirits and create a feeling of well-being. It's important to note that, while the findings from these research studies look positive, further research is required to comprehend the full extent of the cognitive advantages that rosemary offers, as well as the underlying mechanism. However, adding rosemary into your routine could be beneficial to general brain health and cognitive function. How can you get the most benefit from rosemary's ability to boost memory and extend its benefits? Here are some suggestions. 1. Include rosemary in your meals. Include fresh rosemary leaves into your favorite recipes, like grilling meats, vegetables, and roasts and pasta sauces. It will not only enhance the taste of your food, however, it could be able to provide cognitive advantages. 2. Diffuse rosemary essential oil. Get a high-end diffuser to bring your home to life with the uplifting scent from rosemary's essential oils. The scent can increase alertness and improve memory. 3. Consider rosemary-based supplements. If you are looking for a stronger type of rosemary, think about taking a look at rosemary supplements. But it's essential to speak to an expert in healthcare before beginning any new regimen of supplements. 4. Drinks with rosemary-infused ingredients. Make the tea of rosemary or mix the water overnight with rosemary leaves. Drink these refreshing drinks throughout the day and enjoy the cognitive advantages of rosemary. The memory-enhancing capabilities and more makes it an intriguing plant to study for the health of your brain. Although more research is required to understand the full potential of rosemary and benefits, adding rosemary to your everyday routine by cooking, aromatherapy, or even supplements could be an organic and delicious method to boost cognitive performance. Why not consider adding some rosemary into your next meal to provide your brain with an energy boost?